Hello and welcome to Glue. Today I'm excited to take you on a tour of our new virtual space, Business Campus. This space is perfect for events, training and can even serve as a virtual office. It's our largest space yet, and I will show you the coolest spots and how you can use them for your collaboration. Let's dive in. We will start our tour from the spacious lobby of the main building. From the other side of the lobby, you can find the studio, and from the other side, the auditorium. In the auditorium, you can find a large screen for sharing materials during a presentation or event. The space is designed to ensure everyone can find a perfect spot to view the screen, even from the second floor. Now, let's check out the studio where smaller groups can collaborate. In the studio, you'll discover various spots for collaboration. The first floor features a workspace with whiteboards on the walls. The second floor offers 3 audio-isolated rooms for smaller group meetings. Just like in any office, we got a cafe here too. This space is perfect for casual conversation among colleagues or for icebreaker before workshop. As you can see, there's also a rooftop terrace for some fresh air with a stunning view. Remember also to explore other terraces and vast park areas. Let's now hop to another fascinating spot. Welcome to the beach bar. At Glue, it's not just about work, it's about having fun too. Drop by for a casual chat with colleagues, celebrate special moments, and savor a virtual cocktail. This expansive space has plenty to offer. Grab your headset and let the exploration begin. I hope you enjoyed our virtual tour, and see you in Glue Spaces.